In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a purchase on eBay, a handy skill for online shoppers who might need to rethink a recent order. Let's dive into the eBay interface and guide you through the process. First, you'll need to open your web browser and head over to eBay's website. Once the site loads, take a look at the top left corner of the page. You'll notice an option labeled Sign In. Click on it to bring up the login page where you can enter your credentials. Make sure you're using the correct account associated with the purchase you intend to cancel. Once you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. There, you will find My eBay. Clicking on this will lead you to your account's dashboard. Your dashboard is essentially the control center for managing your eBay activities, including keeping track of purchases and bids. On the dashboard, you'll need to locate Purchase History. Clicking on this option will take you to a comprehensive list of all the items you've bought or bid on through eBay. This is where you'll be able to identify the specific order that you wish to cancel. Now, assuming you have purchases or bids, your task is to find the particular order you want to cancel. Right next to each order, there should be a drop-down menu labeled More Actions. Click on this drop-down, and you should see an option to cancel this order. Once you select Cancel this order, eBay will prompt you to choose a reason for the cancellation. It's important to pick the reason that best describes why you're canceling this order to help both the seller and eBay understand the issue accurately. After selecting your reason, submit the cancellation request. Your submission will notify the seller that you wish to cancel the order. Keep in mind that the seller needs to accept the cancellation for it to be finalized. If they do, you'll receive an email confirmation, and if you've already paid, a refund should be processed shortly after. However, if the seller doesn't respond or declines your request, options such as opening a return or request for refund later might be necessary. Be patient and check your email for notifications regarding the status of your cancellation request. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough of how to cancel a purchase on eBay. Remember, clear communication with the seller can often provide a quicker resolution. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful guides.